Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram not sending code. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram not sending code, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram here. You will go to Telegram. Sorry, you should to find at this you will enter. After that, in this page you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage, and after that here in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click manage storage, and when you will end this you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.